The wait is the hardest part, but you can check your refund status 24/7, independently of TurboTax. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Once the IRS accepts your e-filed return, you'll get an email from TurboTax. Wait at least 24 hours. Then, go to the IRS Where's My Refund tool on irs.gov. You'll need your social security number, filing status, and the exact refund amount from your return. The tool shows 3 stages: return received, refund approved, and refund sent. My crucial pro tip: use the IRS tool or IRS2Go app, not TurboTax's status. TurboTax can only tell you if the return was accepted. The IRS tool has the official timing and deposit date. Checking more than once a day won't make it faster. Track your money directly from the source. Do you check your status obsessively or just wait for the deposit? For more guides on what happens after you file, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.